Good everyone. Good everyone. So good everyone. My name is Chwemiri Emmanuel Ogunna, founded by SFX Smart Pips, right? So I'm about to analyze. I don't know. They have many strategies. If you get down to gold, right? If you get down to gold, they have many strategies in gold, which some of people doesn't know, and some of people are missing it a lot, right? I have been citing this pay. Meanwhile, it's USDCAD, very nice and very impossibly move and massively. So I've been citing this site since this week. I've been citing it, very nice setup, plays out, and they give you a nice profitable in the market, right? So I have been now analyzing this chart since last week, and it's been working against me throughout. So if you are ready for this tutorial, please, I want you to share and comment and like. So let's go. So this is a 5 minute time frame. Meanwhile, anytime that you wanted to did your analysis, all right? Anytime you wanted to do the analysis, first get down into weekly time frame. That is a top-down analysis. When you get down into the weekly time frame, because market always open from the weekly. So when you get down into a weekly time frame, you now shake as now shake where is the market moving on, whether it's a uptrend or downtrend. So if when you see a breakout or retest, breakout means the buyers are strong enough in the market that are willing to move. But rejection means the seller are in the market than the buyers that are strong enough to move, right? So after that, you now get into your daily time frame to reconfirm the entry, to reconfirm whether daily and weekly is aligned, right? So you now get down to 4 hours and 1 hour to mark up your 4 hours to mark up your inducement, order block, strategy that you are using to mark it out, whether it's demand zone or supply zone, right? Now waiting to 1 hour, rhyme it up, get down into your reconfirm your entry from lower time frame, right? Which is 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes, right? For those of you that's doing analysis in the morning at 5 minutes is in fair, right? So let's go. Let us analyze this chart because it's very necessary. So this is a USD card. This is a USD card, right? This is a USD card. So I have analyzed this market on the morning, right? So here is order block. Here is order block. Here is an order block. Order block. Excuse me, I want to start for something. So here is another block. Here is other block, right? Let me get down into 15 minutes time frame. Like that I was with, okay. So here is the other block. We have many market structure in this USD card, which is very necessary to learn and grab. So if you are into this video and you are watching me, please take a note, bring your pen and bring your book and start recording everything that I'm telling you guys, right? So whenever that you wake up in the morning, watch your charts to know how the market plays against you. So we have bearish order block. we have other block. We have very shorter block. We have other block, which is resistance and the support level, right? So this is an let me zoom in for you guys to see. It is very necessary. So this is our another block, because in the USD card, for you to reconfirm your entry, whether it's buy, especially buy, because it's used to buy all the time, because this week I have been buying, right? So for you to reconfirm your entry from USD card, or else it gives you breaks out. It breaks out resistance, break out. Without it, don't ever enter a trade, because market will first exhausted consolidate before it break out. When it give you that confirmation breakout, continuation breakout, meanwhile the buyers are still strong enough to move, right? So this is another block. This is another block where the market, you can see this impulsive, sorry, you can see this impulsive drop here, impulsive move here. See, this is another block. This is another block, right? This is another block where the market plays out. So we have many market structure, many market structure. This is another block here. And see, this is another block. So in our section here, I'm talking about other block and breaker block in this chart and the market analysis here. So here is another block. So other block is something that sweep up liquidity upside and downside before it's retest and break, right? So, excuse me. Data, please don't do this thing to me, please. Oh. So, as I was saying now, this is a break of structure. So for you guys to understand this chart, to understand this theory here, you just to be consistent, right? So this is another block. So we buy this, we took this trade here, right? We took this trade here. We took this trade here, right? We took this trade here. So anytime that you want to analyze this chart, it's very necessary, right? It's very necessary. So this is another block. Excuse me. So anytime you see a chart like this, this is a sending triangle because it was exhausting here. So the market came here and tapped. Let me draw it for you guys to see it. So can you see this chart? This is a descending triangle. Descending triangle is a when market breaks and started consolidating. So it means that the market will break and give us a confirmation before it drop. So this is a descending triangle. Descending triangle here. We have a sell here. We have a sell, huge sell here. You can see how this market start and do what and move. This equal high and this equal low here, right? So you can see we take our next buy here. Our next buy here. So this is another block here. This is another block here. Because the market have already break out highs before it move. So this is another block. This is a changing of character. Changing of character means when the market plays out against me. You can see this is a changing of character. The market broke up here. Change as in tap here, sweep up liquidity here, change the character before it break out. Right? So the same thing here too. So this is a strong demand zone. This is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. You can see this demand zone. This is a strong demand zone here. So let me put it here because it's very necessary. This is another block. So anything that you wanted to confirm your entry, either you confirm it 1 hour is for you to look at your demand zone or your supply zone. So I'm just teaching you guys how this USDCAD used to move anytime and anymore. So because USDCAD have a strong volatility in the market, I trust that, right? So this is my stop loss where I put in my stop loss. I don't know how many ratio risk I will target here, right? It's like, I'll be risking, my risk percentage is 7 pips. So I will target almost 9.4 pips, right? So you can see here I just refine my entry here. So you can see I refine this my entry here. So you can see here. So here is a huge, because here is you can see it now, exalting. So anytime you see market was exalting in this pattern way, is based on there is no news in there, right? Market can even broke here. So let me show you where you can see this market now. We took our buy, we took our sell here. We took our sell here. We took our sell in this resistance level here. The market came here and they do what? In a push up, push down, the reverse back. So I'm now waiting this market to came here. So you can see this market change your character, your move, right? Start sweeping up. So instead of this market to push out and to drop to reverse, the market break. So here is my confirmation entry here. And that hasn't just here is my confirmation entry. So and I can't. So here is my confirmation entry where the market plays out. So let me get into a 15-minute, 5-minute time frame. So I'm getting into the 5 minutes. So can you see it? How the market is moving and moving aggressively. For those of you that is very, it's very hard to refine your entries. It's very necessary. So breakout means something break like this. For you to confirm, the market here, breakout is something because this is a retest. Yeah, this is a retest. This is a retest. The market break like this, right? The market break like this. So sorry, I did mistake. That's why I used this one. The market break like this. So here is our demand zone. So here is our demand zone, right? You now put your entry setup in this way. Put your entry setup in this way. So here is another block. Here is your demand level. So anytime you wake up in the morning, just when you do your analysis, first of all, refine your entry from weekly, daily, and 4 hours. 4 hours and 1 hour for you to whether it's demand or supply zone. Say it's a demand zone. This retest here before it breaks, sweep liquidity up before it reverse and broke up. So here is a other block here. So I'll be teaching you different strategies. Here is a bearish other block. You can see it. Oh god, shit. The market broke here. So the market clear out liquidity here. The market came here and do what? And drop massively. So you can see this. So now this is my POI here. This is my POI. Can you see it, guys? So we have very short block. Yeah, this is a very short block. You can call it your demand, your supply zone, your resistance zone, your supply zone, anything that you call it. So this is where I target my POI here. This is my POI. So here is my liquidity. And liquidity means, in my next video, I'll be talking about the liquidity in the market. So liquidity is a money. Liquidity is a money that is pulling up in the market. Whenever that you win a trade, you took out the liquidities in the market, right? So this is your liquidity and market, and the liquidity here. This is the liquidity. Sorry, guys. So this is the liquidity here. Alright. And this one is a break of changing of character here. Changing of character. Something that changed character. The market was pushing up. The market was pushing up. The market broke and they sweep and take out the pullback and before it breaks. So this is a changing of character here. So, and this here is a liquidity section. So whenever you see this market place against you or break up, started sweeping, break up, it have already give you a confirmation entry. I said what confirmation entry is because it has already break up continuation. Meanwhile, the buyers are strong massively enough to control the market. The buyers are waiting to buy. So, because what's in the USD card, for you to last in the USD card base, and to know exactly the direction. It's just whenever the market give you a confirmation breaks out, and something that breaks out, right? Break out. They have already give you a confirmation that the market must do what? Drop massive. The market must do what? Buy, right? So, and again, I'm sharing you guys, this experience that I've grabbed this week. And again, in my next video, I'll be talking about news event and, fundamental analysis. What does it mean fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a news event, data's event, right? News event, data event. How the run and data event. That's something that is coming. So I'll be talking to you guys about it because we have NFP, we have many fundamentals analysis we followed here, rules and regulation to know where the market must move or where the market must drop up liquidity. So here now is my order block. I'm targeting this bar here. I'm targeting this bar here. So whenever this trade tap into my POI, I'll be do what? Be buying, right? So this is our demand. You just confirm your entry from demand zone or bearish order block here. So you can see liquidities, you can see it. So some people always refine the entry 5 minutes and 1 minute, 5 minutes. I always keep my own into 1 minute, 5 minutes. Sorry. Let me get into 1 minute. Sorry. So thank you guys for your tutorial and for your experience, right?